This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः आषाढकृष्ण एकादशी दिनांक 16 जुलै 2020 सहस्रयोग पुनर्नवाधिकृतम् शङ्खं चक्रं जलधां ददतमृतघटं चारुदोष्टचतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिनं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापकोऽभिषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं ततनोऽध्यसः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं वीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छति सत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमामि। पुनर्नव सार्धतुलां तुलां स्फोट्या भुजङ्गमा दशमूलस्य 50 फलानि लशुनस्य च तावन्ति तो ये निष्पाद्य तेन प्रस्थं घृतात् क्वचित् एरण्डतैलसंयुक्तं वा कृष्णातं मूलसंधवैः यष्टिमतकमृद्वीका यवानि विश्वभेषजैः एतैर्हिंवादिना वापि प्रतिवापं विनिक्षिपे सदुग्धं साधितं तत्तु शूलगुल्मोदरासहम्। सो अर्धतुलां पुनर्नवस्य तुलां स्फोट्या भुजङ्गमा so this may have to be seen दशमूलस्य 50 फलानि लशुनस्य च तावन्ति so 50 फल so 50 फल and लशुन 50 फल तावन्ति तो ये निष्पाद्य तेन प्रस्थं घृतात् क्वचित् so it is to be put in jala and घृतप्रस्थ तैरण्डतैलसंयुक्तं वा कृष्णातन्मूलसंधवैः. This va denotes to what, that is again a question. So pippali moola saindhava yashti madhukam mridvika yavani vishveshari etayir hingvadina vapi prativapam vidikshipe, and maybe hingvadi to be used with prativapa sadugdham sadhitam tat, and it is to be prepared with milk. Shula gulma udarapaham, shula gulma and udara, these are the Krishna pippali tanmula pippali moola, so they have to be taken separately. सैंधव यष्टिमधु मृद्विका यवानी विश्वभेषज, so these are विकल्प द्रव्यास और हिंगवादी चूर्ण द्रव्य. Prativapa is really after preparation, but here it seems that it is a kalka or something like that. Gogruta eranda taila one prastha each. Punarnava Spotya Bhujanga Gajapippali. अरे बाप I heard this for the first time. Dashamula Lashuna Kshiravanprastha. There is no mention about how much Kshira, etc. So Dugdam Saditam Tattu Gulma Shulo Darapam. So the Kvatha Udar Pandu Kamala Gulmo Darapam. Where from Pandu has come? No, this is Narada Kavita. Okay. Okay, the page is changing. Sneha and Drava were taken in the specific quantity. Shula, Gulma and Udara. शूलाधिकृत स्फोट्याभुजंगाद आदाय स्वरसं यंत्रपीडितं चतुर्गुण रसे तस्मिन् धृतः प्रस्थं विपाचयत् द्विपञ्च मूल स्वरसं प्रस्थं प्रदापयत् अत्र कल्पानिमान् दद्यात् कार्षिकाणि भिषग्वरः पञ्चभिर्लवणैर्युक्तं त्रिकुटत्रिफलान्वितं कारवीकटिरमुण्यमातुलङ्गफलं तथा दिक्षारहिङ्गुलवणम् एलाचव्याजमोदकम् पृथ्वीका काकचिह्वा च देवदारु कटिल्लकं वज्रकं सर्पशूर्पमूलं च विश्वमुष्टेश्च पत्रकम् एतत् शूलारिकं नाम कृतमात्रेयनिर्मितम्. So again this Potya Bhujanga पंचलवण त्रिकटु त्रिफला कारवी कृष्णचीरक कटुरोहिणी मातुलुंग फल द्विक्षार हिंगु लवण एला चव्य अजमोदा मृद्विका काकजगुहा देवदारु कठिल्लक श्वेतपुनर्नवा वज्रकस्मिहि सूर्प माशपर्णी मूल विषमुष्टिपत्र. So स्फोट्याभिषु भुजंगमात गजपिप्पली स्वरस वन प्रस्थ विपंचमूल रस एक प्रस्थ each prepare with the above drug with calcine etc. Shula Maharsha Atreya formulated Shuladhikrita. I have not come across this part anywhere in Charaka Samhita. When he said Atreya has done this or something. Of course, in Vagbhata also there are certain pathas specified by Atreya, but still I have not come across such a patha. Maybe we have to look into Ashtanga Sangraha as such. So, Kakajibha means. I also don't know what is Kakajibha. Kakajangha is more common, so to say, but Kakajibha I have heard for the first time. And this is not available, I suppose. So, Adrakakruta तथा आर्द्रकस्य स्वरसे विपक्वं तत्कल्पमाज्यं च पयश्च तद्वत्. So the Padashruti is like that Spotyadhikruta. The word is mentioned twice. पंचभिर्लवणयुक्तं त्रिकटुप्रतिफलान्वितं नालविकटिरवणातुलिङ्गफलन्तः द्विक्षारहिन्दुलवण तेलाचव्याजमोदकम्. या लवण इज ट्वाइस. हिंदीमध्ये काय पाठ आहे तसाच आहे. इसमें काकाजीवा का क्या है? काकाजीवा ही लिखा है. नहीं पता नहीं लग रहा एक्चुअली. गजपिप्पली या स्फोट्यामूल इस प्रकार का. और आर्द्रक घृत ये सिंपल है. तत्कल्कमाज्यम च तत्चपयश्च तद्वत्. So properties are like this. स्फोट्यादिकृत एतत् शूलारिकं नाम घृतमात्रेय निर्मितम्. So shularika. So it is also very good for shula as such. Pandur, Udar, Shula, Pandu and Kamala. Where is Kamala and Pandu? There is no mention of Kamala, Pandu. This only Shularikam, only Kokilaksha. Okay, Kakajiva is Kokilaksha. Not really understandable. Anyway, but the Falashruti is also quite different. त्याने काय केले हिंदीमध्ये? शूलच सांगितले. शूल. So this is quite different. Only Ardhaka Swarasa and Vruta and Paya. So Swarasa and Paya, these are two Dravadravya's, so might be taken in equal quantity. 4 times of Vruta, so double of Vruta and Ardhaka Kalka. So as we may try, this is actually simple, more simple, so to say. In Taila Prakarana, in general, for the preparation of Taila, 3 essential Kalka Sneha Dravya, generally, unless otherwise mentioned in the text, the Kalka is 1 part by weight. Taila should be 4 parts. Kalka and Dravadravya are mixed initially and then add Taila and boiled and stirred well continuously so that the Kalka is not allowed to adhere to the vessel. When all Dravyas have evaporated, the Kalka is taken out and tested from time to time to know the condition of Paka, such as Mrudu, Madhyama, or Karapaka. In Mrudu Paka, Kalka is waxy when rolled between the fingers, rolls like lac without sticking. In Madhyama Paka, Kalka is harder and when put on fire burns without any cracking noise. A further degree of heating leads to Karapaka. Any further boiling leads to Dagdhapaka, and the Sneha becomes useless for therapeutic uses. Mrudupaka is used for Nasya, Madhyamapaka is used for Pana, Basti, and Karapaka is indicated only for Abhyanga. The Tailas will have their color, odor, and taste of the drug used. So this is general description, and this is fine. Generally, warm water or warm milk is used as an upana when not specified. Dhanvantara Taila. बलामूल कषायस्य भागाः षट् प्रयसस्तथा यवकोलकुलत्थानां दशमूलस्य चैकतः निष्वाथभागो भागश्च तैलस्य च चतुर्दश द्विमेधा दारुमञ्जिष्ठा काकोटी द्वये चन्दने सारिवाकुष्ठतकर जीवकर्षवसन्दवैः कालानुसारी शैलेय वचा गुरुकुलर्णवैः अश्वगंधावरी क्षीर शुक्ला यष्टिवरा रसैः शताह्वा शूर्पपर्ण्यैला त्वक्पत्रैश्लक्ष्मकल्पितैः पक्वं मृद्वग्निना तैलं सर्ववातविकारिणि सूतिका बालमर्मास्तिकृतक्षीणेषु पूजितम् ज्वरगुल्मग्रहोन्माद मूत्राघातान्तरवृद्धिषु द्वन्द्वन्तरैरभिमतं योनिरोगक्षयापहम् तुपातून अर्द्रक स्वरस दिले तर शूट कमी होईल का? May be given. I have not used. Shunthi or ardraka can be used in shula, particularly in pravahika. This is a good medicine. And there is one shunthi tila and guda combination for shula, so that can be easily used, particularly vataja shula, that I have used. But ardraka swaras I am generally using along with honey. ardraka pitta prakriti व्यक्तिला कैसे देता है? एक्चुअली ऐसा है कि पित्त प्रकृति है, अलग चीज है. दिस इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. एंड पित्त दोष, if it is more, then ardraka may be thought of whether to give or not. But for kapha and vata, this is a good choice. And due to madhura vipaka, it is not that troublesome like marika. So to a certain extent that can be given. ardraka krita in vakvata shotha shrinka udara agrimandya. Where? Where it has been mentioned in Uttarasthana or Shothadhikara or Udara. If you know the reference, quote the reference, that will be better. So we may have to think whether to give it or not. Shvayat. Okay. There is one Gudardhaka Yoga in Shotha as well. I was not remembering this. Yeah, that is possible. It is Pushnavirya, there is no doubt. So if there is Pittanubandha or Pitta is dominant, then Adraka may not be used. But in Kahavata Pradhan, it can be used. So Balamula Kashayasya Bhagaha Shat Vayasastata. Balamula Kashaya 6 parts and 6 parts of milk. Yavakula Kula Pula Puluthanam Dashamulasya Chaikataha Nishwatha Bhago. Yavakula and Kulatha and Dashamula Nishwatha Bhago. भागश्च तैलस्य च चतुर्दश. Bit clumsy. So Taila is 14 times. द्विमेधा दारु मंजिष्ठा काकोली द्वय चंदन सारिवा कुष्ठ तकर जीव कर्षव सैंदवी कालानुसारी शैल वशा गुरुकुल अश्वगंधा वरी शुक्ला यष्टिवरा वरी क्षीर शुक्ला यष्टिवरा रसे शताह्वा शूर्पकर्ण्येन त्वक्पत्रैश्च लक्ष्मीकृते पक्वम्. So these are all kalka. तैलं सर्ववातविकारके सूतिका बालमर्मास्तिक्षीणेषु पूजितम्. So let us try to consider what Tantrata has done. Dvimeda, Mahameda, Daru, Manjishta, Kakolidvaya, चंदन सारिवा कुष्ठतगर जीवक ऋषभक सैंधव कालानुसारी कृष्ण सारिवा शैलेय परमेलिया परलाटा वचा अगरु पुनर्नवा अश्वगंधा वरी शतावरी क्षीर शुक्ला विदारी कंद यष्टिवरा त्रिफला शतावा सूर्पपर्णी नाशपर्णी एलात्वर तैल 1 part बलामूल कषाय 6 parts पयक क्षीर 6 parts यवकोल कुदत्त दशमूल कषाय 1 part each. Prepare taila with the above drugs with kalka. They have not translated this Chaturdasha at all. What is this Chaturdasha? So 6 part is 12 parts. Yavakola Kulatha 113 and Dashamulasa Chaikataha, that is 14. Here Yavakola Kulatha Dashamula Kashaya 1 part each. So this will become again 5 parts. Sansabaram. That's 17. What I feel, Yavakola Kulatha together 1 part, Dashamula 1 part. So this becomes 14 parts. And then we have this Chatur Dasha. Because the Kalka Dravyas are more. So they are not 14, they are more than that. Bhagascha Tailasya, so it is 1 part. And this Shat and Yavakola Kulatha 1 part and Dashamula 1 part. So they become Chaturdasha. But Chaturdasha is just separate mention. तुझ्याकडे काय केलंय यह बैर कुलत्थी और दशमूल का कषाय 1 भाग कुल निष्ठवा का 13 भाग तैल 1 भाग. So here also the total they say is 14, but I think the Kvata Dravya is 14 times and Taila 1 part. So, and Kalka Dravya is Karshika. Shatava, there is no mention how much Kalka Dravya. So it might be taken 1/4 of the oil. Anyway, the Falashruti is quite wide. Sarvavata Vikarajit in all kinds of Vata Roga. So here I feel Yavakola Kulatha 1 part and Dashamula 1 part, and they all make Chaturdasha part and Taila 1 part. So instead of 4 times of Dravadravya, it is 14 times of Dravadravya. And 1 part of Kalka raised to 4 parts of Taila and raised to 14 parts of this. So Sarvavata Vikarajit in all kinds of Vata diseases. Sutika Bala Marmastik Shatakshineshu. So Marmastik Shatakshina. Jwaragulma Grahonmada Mutra Ghatantra Vrittijit. not used in Graha, Unmada, etc. Graha, Mutraghata, Antravrutti. Dhanvantare Abhimatam Yoniroga Kshayapaham. And Yoniroga and Kshaya, these are the Parashrutis. सर्ववातरोग, सूतिकारोग, बालरोग, मर्म, अस्तिक्षत, ज्वर, गुल्म, ग्रह, उन्माद, मूत्राघात, अंतर्वृत्ति, योनिरोग, क्षय. Vaidya Rasik Pavaskar had delivered one lecture on this Dhanvantara a long back, I think in US, and he has connected this to Sutika Vikara, that is the thing. But this is even good for preparation of the lady for conceiving. That is what he tried to say. That is what he tried to say. And anyway, this is quite big part and is useful, particularly having combination of Santarpana and Apatarpana both. And the percentage of the Kvatha is quite different. उपस्तंभित आणि निरुपस्तंभित अशा दोन्ही अवस्थांमध्ये धान्वंतर ते वापरता येईल ना. Yes. Is it used internally for conception like Uttarbasti? It can be used. Generally, we are not using internal medicine. Taila is internal medicine. That means specific treatments this may be used. And मर्मस्थानी उत्पन्न होण्यामध्ये वृक्षण चिकित्सा सांगितली ती का असावी. That's a general rule as such. Of course, we have to decide there that might be the possibility of a cleather, and for that the Rukshana might have been advised, particularly in Brahmasthana Vyadhi. But we may try to think about this separately. So Dhanvantara Taila can be used in varieties of diseases, and that will be better if we start using it for Nasya, Abhyanga, Basti, everything, and even Snepana, etc. ऑटिझम सारख्या अवस्थामध्ये वापरता येईल का, कारण उन्माद व बालरोग असे दोन्ही परिस्थितीमध्ये आहे. Yes, definitely we can think of this, and at least we can go for Abhyanga with this. That is quite fine. I tend to use more Falagruta if it is infant and on breastfeed. But later, after 2-3 years, we may go for this Dhanvantara Taila for Abhyanga, Pana, etc. आज जे सिद्ध तेल मिळते ते बहुतेक तेलावर लिहिलेले असते, only for external use असे का. So this is a misconception by maybe ABDA, maybe manufacturers or something like that. And then they write it like that. And actually it is not so. We may have to convince patients that this can be taken internally as well, and if possible we may show the part as such. Kulatkar sir once faced a problem. He wrote prescription of Shatavari Kalpa to a male, and the patient was sent back by the shopkeeper saying that this is a medicine for breast milk, and what are you going to do with this? So Kulatkar sir had to convey to the shopkeeper that don't do it like that. You don't know about that. The patient was confused But anyway, Conductor sir explained him, and then it was fine. There was a big story in Tarachan long back that small baby, 5 6 month old, suffering from Atisara, was on saline, and the head came. Actually, treatment was going from conventional medicine, and then the head said, "Start giving Chatavikar." The houseman started giving Chatavikar, and then RMO came, and then he said, "What you are doing?" He said, "Chatavikar, I am giving Chatavikar." Who said? Such and such fellow said. The husband said, "Do you understand that this is a medicine for lactation? No, this is a male baby." And this is the real story. So we have firm notions about certain medicines and whether that can be used elsewhere or not. Particularly of this tailor in autism in that lecture. Okay, that is fine. So I didn't know about that. But this can be used in autism. There is no doubt. And their own mother. So we may have to think about this. And Shuddhavala, the next oil is really Sattarpana, but this is having both characteristics, Sattarpan and Apat. अभ्यंतरपानार्थ कशा पद्धतीने देता येईल? Generally, you can give like Abhyantara Snehapana or Bhruta, starting from 30 ml, 40 ml, or something like that. And just follow the regime as Snehapana. Vilas Nandal was giving Taila to many patients. We are not giving, but Vilas Nandal was giving to many patients. So it is quite possible to give it like that. And generally, Chinchalavantail is more commonly used, and which is very palatable and quantity is less. Particularly those who are having hard stools, this is a better choice, Chinchalavantail with the rice initially, in the initial part of the meal. But these oils can also be used in this way. Now, particularly, only of 2-3 oils have Marmavati mentioned in its Parashruti. Okay. In Brihatraya, only Dhanvantara Tail is one, Mahanarayan Tail is another. Dose of Chinchalavana Tail, how to give? 1 teaspoonful. Before food, starting of the food with rice. Shared on GSVC. Fine, that is good. I use it for Snehapana. Matnasya Basti Dhanvantara 3 7 21 101 Avarti available. So this is yet another important aspect. That Avarti Taila is available in one family. And now this is again a very big concept in Vanaspatija Dravya. The capacity to store heat is a different issue. And in Bhasma Prakriya, a lot of heat is stored in the Bhasma. Or in Abhraka Bhasma Sahasrabhuti, there are 1,000 putas given, then it has a tremendous potential. The same thing happens with Shadguna Balidarita Rasa that lot of heat goes, 72 hours every time the Agni is given, and this is lot of heat going into the medicine. So the capacity of that dravya of not getting burnt, but to store the energy. This is very peculiar. There is one doctor in Lucknow, allopathic doctor, who praises Rasha Shastra like anything. And he said he knows one Vaidya. I really want to meet that Vaidya who is 95 plus or something like that, still practicing in Lucknow. Of course, this is old information. I'm not sure whether he is alive or practicing or not. But he is using Rasa Shastra and he has tremendous results. So this allopathic doctor was very much fascinated with that and then started praising Ayurveda and particularly Rasa Shastra for this. And the logic he explained is really a good logic to explain to the whole world. He said apply the sutra E is equal to mc square. Now E is equal to mc square is very well known and even a child understands that. So that much of heat energy has gone into that with very small amount. There is tremendous energy, and this is of help. Anyway, it's a game of energy. What I feel, the dosha concept and the medicine concept, these are a battle between two energies, energy of the doshas and energy of the medicines, etc. And when such a kind of heat has gone into medicines like Rasa Shastra or particularly this Kupi Pakwa Rasayana and Bhasma Prakriya, etc., etc. So that particular dravya has a capacity to accept that much heat into it. And then that is very well used in Rasa Shastra as such or in our Ayurvedic practices. Now we start getting the cases of COVID-19 positive in acute conditions. Now this was somewhere it was going to happen. Now it has started. So I started getting phone calls from different Vaidyas, some of their relatives, known person admitted in ICU or in COVID-19 positive with symptoms or something like that, breathlessness, etc. So we need to decide a strategy how to deal with these cases. And to me, Abhrag Bhasma Sahasraputi is a better choice to use and Lakshmi Vilas Guti as such. If there is fever, then we may go for this Jaimangal Rasa in Samavastha or in Niramavastha, maybe Chandrakala Rasa or something like that. And Suvarna Suchekar is a choice, and we have to put restrictions on the diet. Only Peya if there is no much kapha. Otherwise, Mudga Yusha, Laja Manda, these are to be diets used, and Shedangopaniya, that is yet another important aspect in this. And then breathlessness is a major problem, Shwasa. If it doesn't subside with Sahasraputi Abhrag, then we may go for Shwasakasa Chintamani. That will be another important aspect over here. So let us be prepared with this if you start getting cases from COVID-19, active disease as such, then post them. We get capsule of Dhanvantara Taila with Avarti also. So that is good. So we can use this Dhanvantara Taila Avarti and I'm not using it, but I may. And then it is easier to give. The dose is small. It is easier to give it internal. Otherwise, if we ask them to drink oil, it's a tough job for the patient. आघातजन्य वातव्याधि मर्माघात व्याधि वातव्याधि with रक्तानुबंध sutika vikar. So in all these, this is good that Dhanvantara oil can be used, and maybe we try to use this Avarti oil as such. So in this plant-based medicines, Avarti oil is one of the concept in which great heat is stored. Shatapaki and Sahasrapaki Balatel is also available. And we may go for that kind of thing. Particularly, this is in Vatarakta, given Shatapaki Balatel is given in Vatarakta. And it has specific action on Indriya. So, whenever there is hampering of the karma of Indriya, then Shatapaki Balate is a better option. Actually, it gets converted into ghee. Initially, we start with Taila, but every time milk is added along with the kvata, and that gets converted into sneha, that is ghee. So the final formulation, एकशे आवर्ती, becomes like a ghee. एकच तैल नस्य वस्ती अभ्यंगासाठी वापरला जाते. स्नेहाच्या अभ्यंतर बाह्य वापरासाठी वेगवेगळा पाक सांगितला आहे, मृदू नस्य वगैरे. That is true. So we need to be particular for what we want to use and prepare pak accordingly. Mrudu, madhya and kara. Dhanvantara chicken pak also available. Vaidyaratna. What is chicken pak? Is it mrudu? Lakshmi Vilas Naradiya, you mean, sir? No, Lakshmi Vilas Gutti, that has been explained by Gunesh Shastri. And initially it was available from Sudarshan Ayurveda Pharmacy. It might be also available now, but Punarasu also preparing with the same part. So Punarasu is easily available. Have used Dhanvantara oil in urethral stricture, works very well. Okay, so that is also good. I have used Vastamayanta Gavita in Avapidaka Snehapana for the strictures. What is Avarti? Okay. Madhyama Paka. Okay. Avarti is processing the same oil again and again. You do one paka, then keep the oil the same, and again Kalkadravya and Patadravya or milk, etc. to be added to that. Then this is second paka, third paka. So in Anutela also, Pake Mushimek Shipecha, Pake Shipecha Dashme Samama Anja Dugdham. In last paka, there is Aja Dugdha that is to be used. No, I think I have talked to Sane, and he is not Naradiya. Let us confirm, but we talked that it should be Lakshmi Vilas Bhutti actually. Want to share a case? Female had history of fall in bathroom on her abdomen, had one child but was trying to conceive but not successful. All the reports were normal, no known structural focus found in abdomen or the abdomen. Marmaghatha due to history of fall, just Uttarvasti of Dhanvantara oil and 2-3 oral medicines solved the case and she conceived. This is good. पुनर्वसूची लक्ष्मी विलास नारदीय आहे बहुतेक. Yes, Lakshmi Vilas Gupta and Naradiya Lakshmi Vilas are same. No. These are different. The part is quite different. So I specifically use Lakshmi Vilas Bhutti. तैलघृत मूर्छित करतात म्हणजे नक्की काय? मूर्छना is a संस्कार before processing or before using oil or Gurta as plain. It has to undergo this Murchana Samskara. And what we do in our Tadka or Podni is Murchana Samskara, kind of Murchana Samskara. So there are certain dravyas which Murchana Samskara is done. If we are going to use raw oil, then this is must. If you are going to use Siddha oil, then Murchana may not be required. But if you do it, that is fine. मध्यम पाकला चिकन पाक म्हणतात का? That is what he was saying, that is मध्यम पाक. So anyway, the Avarti Sneha, the same Sneha is used for Paka again and again. So it carries utmost heat. That is the most important aspect. And in plant-based medicine, this is the way. In Rasa Shastra, we have ores which may have a capacity more while preparing Bhasma. They have greater capacity to store heat. And so in this way, this can incorporate more heat. And other way, the Praval Bhasma Chandrakuti, it absorbs the Shita, Shaitya from moon. And the more you have color or something like that. Sir, once I have checked about Lakshmi Vilas Gutti of Gune and Naradi Davi, which are available in market, both are same, their contents are same. This is quite strange. Maybe we check again. The Falashruti, we have to go for the Falashruti of this Naradi. We have to see the both pathas. But if we have seen गणैः वातरहे तस्मात् शतशोऽथ सहस्रशः सिद्धं कृततरं हन्ति सूक्ष्ममार्गस्थिताङ्गता आवर्ति पाकस्नेह. So this is good. So Sukshmamargasthitang, this is again important, that it has a capacity to enter the Sukshma Srotas and treat these conditions particularly. So let us confirm about this, whether Lakshmi Vilas Gutti and Lakshmi Vilas Ras are same. Only Lakshmi Vilas मिळते ती वेगळी आहे. In Dhamadkar book, Murchana means taila is heated with sodium benzoate, etc. And this taila is mixed with Siddha taila. So this is something strange. Mahalakshmi Vilas contains Suvarna, that is, there is no doubt about it. But Suvarna Tara Bharkatamra Vanga, that is the part of Mahalakshmi Vilas. If mention Naradiya, then it is only Laviguti. This sodium benzoate, this is something very strange. And if Dhamankar has written this, then this is really troublesome. This is very troublesome. But Murchana is anyway required. Mahalakshmi Vilas मिळते सुवर्ण भस्म आहे. Murchana Sanskar Amadosha Gandhadosha Nashanartha. So Amadosha is a major thing over there. Duta Papeshwar prepares Naradiya Lakshmi Vilas with Suvarna Bhasma added and they sell as Mahalakshmi Vilas. But the part of Mahalakshmi Vilas is quite different. As I say, Suvarna Tara Bharkatamra Vanga. This is the beginning. I don't remember the full shloka. No, the Dutapapeshwar has many Parivartita Patha and they will reduce the dose of Suvarna in their Patha. So this is very dangerous, really speaking. Rasashala prepares Mahalakshmi Vilas Suvarna Tara Adraka Tamravanga. Even Baidyanath is preparing this. Sir, please share number of Vaidya Sushruta again to join GSVC group. Somebody may put it. Dudpapeshwar prepare as Gadgil sir mentions. What is happening? So they have made changes in the Patha and reduced the quantity of Suvarna. So Naradi and these are the same part. महालक्ष्मी विलास शिरोरोह असाही एक पाठ बैद्यनाथचा मिळतो. So this is again a different issue. Nardiya Lavi and in Gune Shastri Lavi part same. But the Dutpapeshwar says two types of Swarna Kalpa. One is basic, other is premium. Premium has more Swarna as per text. So whether it is as per text, that is an important aspect. If it is as per text, then that is fine. Premium is costly, basic is almost half the price. Dutpapeshwar has premium quality and standard quality. Bhanga आहे दोन्ही मध्ये. Whether it is added. Murchana Sunface on GSVC. So anyway, what I feel right now, we should know what is available in the market in what form and what part, and then maybe I can use it. So this lecture of Bhanga was not used by any pharmacies and was used only by Sudarshan Pharmacy in Lavi Guti, but nowadays I guess licensed pharmacies add Bhanga. So the results of Lakshmi Vilas from Sudarshan Pharmacy. Here is very good, extremely good, and there was no similar match to the quality of Sudarshan Pharmacy. Now Vijay Bhave is already gone. Only Vinay Bhave is present. But he had also joined Sanatan Samstha in Goa. So I'm not sure who is looking after the pharmacy. He might have some people. He might have some people looking after the pharmacy. But his quality of medicines was excellent. There was no doubt about his quality. Another important aspect that I know about his preparation of medicine he used to give full pay leave to all women in menstruation. That was a regular custom. So all female employees should just report to him that they are having menses and they won't come for 4 days. So he was observing this even in this era, and that might be one of the reasons. His father was a good Vaidya practicing in Girgaon and a very well knowledgeable person in Dravya. Standard Suvarnakalpa from Rasatarangini and premium from Bharat Vaishulya Ratnakar. Okay, if there is a mention of reducing the dose in Rasatarangini, textual reference, then we may have to think about this. Which company makes Samshamani Vatti according to Vaidyaka Chikitsa Sar Pata with Abraka Loha and Suvarna Makshik? Yes, Suvarna Makshik, yeah. It was available by Jhandu previously, I'm not sure right now. They were Samshamani Gutti number 1 and number 3. And I don't know what about number 2. But number 3 was with this Abraka Suvarna Makshik and Abraka Loha. So Jhandu was preparing it that time. 3 different patas of Lakshmi Vilas Saras in Vaishyaja Ratnavali. सर सुदर्शनचं नाव बदललंय का आता अभ्यंतर की काय अभ्यंकर no I don't think so. It was Sudarshan and then I may try to remember. I will let you know that it is different. There is no doubt about that. Other Bhave, Anantananda pharmacy, yeah, that is the thing. Used to give Bhavana of Ajarakta to Suvarnamakshik, and this was used for making Samshamanavati, hence results were very good in Pandu. I had personally visited his pharmacy, very authentic. Yeah, that is Anantananda pharmacy, that was. And in Varsai, in Konkan near Pali, really speaking. Myself and Sanjay Pendse were stuck in flood, in pain. And then we walked to Versailles from Pain, around 8 to 10 kilometers, and had a stay with Versailles Vijay. I think that was Vinay Bhave. I don't remember right now. Both were present at that time. And these are dedicated, and Kolatkar sir, Pansalkar sir, everybody was using medicines from Sudarshan Ayurveda Pharmacy particularly. So the quality was excellent, only the supply was very irregular, and many times nothing is available for 6 months, 1 year, or something like that till they prepare the next lot. But they were honest to say that it is not available or something like that. Don't give anything else. Rajeshma Kasa and third in Vatavyadi Rokadikar. Okay. Shekhar Bhave handles the Sudarshan pharmacy now. He has now made Lakshmi Vilas within last 1.5 years now. Now Anandananda taken over. Yeah. Gangachi milte. There are two Ganga again. Ganga Niketan, Ganga Ayurved Niketan, and there is another Ganga which is very cheap. And most of the companies are using Bhasma from that Ganga, which are very cheap. He has collaborated with Abhyankar and name change. So Abhyankar is Sharangar Pharmacy. I don't know whether he is the same. Anantananda is taken over by Abhyankar Pharmacy Private Limited. So this Abhyankar is different. I don't know. Bharadwaja Pharma makes Samshamani Vatti. Guruchi makes Hika Abrak Loha Bhasma. Okay, fine. Abhyankar Pharmacy Private Limited is running by one of the disciples of Bhave. This I came to know some days ago, and these are available in Punarvasu. So this is again very strange. Anyway, variety of information is coming. Anantananda is now Abhyankar Sudarshan is still Sudarshan. Is Abhyankar. Sudarshan is still Sudarshan Pharma. Anantananda. Yes, it had changed to Abhyankar. Nagarjun Ahmedabad makes Samshamani from Vaidika Chikitsa. Any contact number of Sudarshan Pharmacy. Comparatively, Bhasma quality is very good of Bharadwaj Pharma. Okay. Arogyavarni number 2. Aspa Pharmacy Surat Banode. I am in contact of both. Anantananda is Abhyankar Pharmacy taken over by this student. So anyway, अजारक्तची भावना दिली स्वर्णमाक्षिका ला तर खराब होणार नाही का? But if it is processed further, don't know, but somebody has already used, so that is fine. Sudarshan is run by Shekhar Bhave. Okay. Anyway, we conclude today and continue tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदितैः शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने ताञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापारः पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः।